Dunalastair Castle. We made it.
Well, we
think.
hope we made it.
Good morning everyone. How you doing? It's our third week now and we are near Perth where we just visited the winter festival, which is a light festival. We'll show you some footage just after this. Today we'll be visiting Dunalastair Castle. It is a castle ruin and it is supposed to be beautiful. Coffee, cleaning the windows first because they were frozen when we woke up. Breakfast, and then we're off. Breakfast done, coffee done, windows are clean. Let's go to the castle.
I like everything about you.
This is the road to Dunalastair Castle. Traffic, fun. See what I mean?
Now look at that view. Dunalastair Castle. We made it.
Well, we
think.
hope we made it. As you can see, it's snowy, it's slippery, it's freezing. And I think there are Highland cows over there. Hi, Birdie. I'm gonna see if they're friendly. Hi.
Look behind me. Dunalastair Castle.
Totally abandoned, collapsed roofs, caved in. You can see just the wood sticking out everywhere, but still the towers are intact. It's really something. I think we might have found the front door. look myself in the eye.
So this is the video for this week, guys. We hope you liked it. We had a lovely day today at the castle, at the loch.
The light show yesterday.
Yesterday, the light show. We had so much fun. We hope you did too. If you did, give it a gentle thumbs up. And if you want to see more, stay tuned. There's a lot more coming.
Yeah, a lot more coming from Scotland.
So subscribe to the channel and see you next week. Bye.